Hello students, today's topic binary tree. Okay, binary tree is what? So simple way we can say that this is the types of data structure where each node has at most two children, left child and right child. Not sure this. Tree is known as binary tree. हर एक tree binary tree कहा जाएगा कब? When if each node of it can have a maximum of degree 2. Okay, जहाँ हर एक node का maximum degree, हम इस देखिए degree भी कर सकते हैं. Okay, so maximum degree हमारा क्या होगा? 2 होगा. Is called binary tree, जो कि हमारा binary tree कहा जाएगा. Okay, now notice over this. Here I am going to represent a 5 possible binary tree all with 3 nodes. Suppose if we have a 3 node, then I am going to represent this after using the 5 possible rotation. The first one LL rotation. तो अगर हम LL rotation की बात की जाए, so this is what? This is called the root node. ये हमारा root node हुआ and any node that will available at the left side. Okay, and again left side. So this is what? This is the child node and this will called also the sub child node. And this is called the LL rotation. Okay, now the next LR rotation. So LR rotation की अगर बात की जाए, so this is the root node. ये हमारा क्या है? This is the root node and any child that will available at the left position. So this is the left child and any node that will available at the right position. So this is called the LR rotation. Okay, this is LR rotation. This is root and this will child and this will the sub child node. Okay, now the next RL rotation. अब RL rotation की अगर बात की जाए, so simple, this is the root node. ये हमारा root node हुआ. Okay, and any node that will available at the right side, हमारा जो node right side होगा, so this is called the right child and any node that will available at the left side, so this is called the left subchild node. Okay, so this represent your RL rotation. Now the next RR rotation. अगर RR rotation की बात की जाए, so simple, this is the root node. ये हमारा root node है and any child node that will available at the right position, so this is called the child node, and any subchild that will available again at the right position, so this display your RR rotation. Okay, now the last again LR rotation. So this is simple, this is the node. Okay, this is the node and this represent your left child and this represent your right child. So thank you for watching this. For a detail visit my channel.